So there you are out shopping, or you're shopping online looking for something in particular maybe, and you come by the Loft store and they have the newest, coolest thing in the window or at the front of their webpage and you want it. Ladies, listen to me. Do not pay full price for Loft items ever, unless it's like the brown fringe suede coat that you saw in the window in the fall and you have to have it right away. Otherwise, wait a week and you'll get a killer sale. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the killer items that I've got on sale over the holidays, over the last few weeks. I'm going to put the information about what they are up here. I'm going to put links to them in my description box and in my pinned comments. Maybe my pinned comments, maybe not. Now, I was a little sick over the holidays. You're probably sick of me talking about being sick, but it gave me a lot of time to study what the trends are going to be for 2026. And so I chose carefully my sale items from Loft. I'm going to bring you colors that are still on trend and styles that are still on trend, including shoes, pants, sweaters, and skirts, and fun stuff like this. So let's dive into it and get started. This sale item caught my eye right away. Animal print is still in. Teal is always a fun spring color. This is the leopard print ruffle tie blouse, currently on sale for barely over $30. And there's, by the time you get online, there's probably going to be additional discounts. And I did have to wear a tank under it. And on the bottom, I have the Parker pants in teal. Yes, I've gone matchy-matchy here. I found this top with the Loft ad for these pants. And in that photo, I'll put it up here, she's wearing like a red tie. I thought that was really cool. I have a red belt, but it was too bright fire engine red. So I just decided to put this together as kind of a business appointment outfit with a little bit of flair. The pants, let me see how much they are right now. The Parker straight pants in brushed flannel are barely over $40. I'm going to turn around and show you the back of them. And just for reference, oh, I haven't even taken the threads out of the pockets. Just for reference, I am 5'5", and I wear a size 4 or 27 on the bottom, and I wear a small on the top, but sometimes I wear a medium if it's kind of fitted. Okay, let's dive into something completely different. So the Pantone color of 2026 has been announced, and it is Cloud Dancer, and it's kind of an off-white. And pretty soon I'm going to be grabbing for some pants in the color Cloud Dancer, but not yet, not yet. And so I decided, since brown is going to be in all throughout 2026, I decided to put it with another popular color that they say is going to stay in, which is, I call it icy blue. And I just love the way that brown and icy blue combine together. These cords I bought in store, and this top I bought in store, so I'll put all the information up here so I can give you the right name, make, and model of it. In store, they had these cords out on the table. These are like a 28-inch cord, which for me end up looking a little bit cropped. Super comfortable. Yeah, I shop at Loft online quite a bit. However, I do find I need to return things every now and then. One thing that I learned for myself, being high-waisted and narrow-hipped, is that their curvy style jeans don't fit on me. So I learned that the hard way, and I had to go into store. Gosh, I was so disappointed. I had to go into store and shop some more. So I really enjoyed picking up these two items, which were on sale. These cords, I know, let me turn around and show you what they look like from the back. They still have a few of these available on sale in some colors. I know the chocolate brown is out of stock, and there is like a dark blue pair that I got that I showed in my last Loft video. And at the end of this video, I will link you to my last Loft video because some of the items in that video are still available on a deeper sale. If you're just stopping by and you haven't watched my channel before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more Loft hauls and retail hauls and subscription boxes along the range of styles and price ranges. So I am just about to put up a Walmart haul, and I'm also just about to get a box from a clothing service called Front Door Fashion, which is the higher end one, the highest end one that I do. I think it's the highest end one available out there. And they have brands that are like Saks and Neiman Marcus. Front Door Fashion, not even a subscription, you just get them on demand. Really, really amazing. So hit that subscribe button and come back and see me again. And my necklace too is a necklace combo that I did get with the Loft online sales. But I've never bought any earrings from Loft. If you have some good experiences buying earrings from Loft, let me know in the comments what your favorite earrings were, or if you've already bought any of these items, or if you're looking to get them. So this necklace combo was probably around under $20, I can't remember, on sale. And I just love it because they're two separate necklaces, and I just love hearts, and it's that heart time of year. All right, let's get out of the browns and jump into a red. I am back in another fun combo that worn separately could be worn a lot more conservatively, but I just had some fun with it. This is the studded sweatshirt on sale for $18, still available in a lot of sizes, and I actually sized down to an extra small. And these are the barrel side stripe corduroy pants. And the length of these, I'll put it up here. I'm pretty sure this is also a 28. Feels a little less cropped than the blue ones. And they have the trendy side stripe. I just love that about them. They have a very small, soft cord to them. The barrel is not too crazy and obnoxious. It just makes you look kind of stylish. I would wear this with actually the model had a white shirt under this sweatshirt. So that you could wear a white shirt under this sweatshirt, dressing it up a little bit and wear it with some jeans. You could wear these pants with a white shirt and a black cardigan, or just like an off-white top. Maybe the Cloud Dancer color would look good with these barrel pants. I threw these on with my favorite red tennies. I just had these sitting nearby. I would think a black loafer, something similar to what I'm about to pull out and show you, could be worn with these. These have sparkles on them, so I didn't put them with the studded sweatshirt. Let me show you the back of the pants. They're super comfortable, and I really actually like the waist on them. I'm going to show that to you up close here in a minute. So they have a nice, good waistline for a belt. And I didn't mention before, I don't think I mentioned that this actually is a sheer top, so I had a tank top on underneath that. I am not done with the studded fun, so I'll be right back with a studded skirt. Okay, I hope you're having as much fun as I am. Maybe it's just me, but I am loving this Loft haul. I had so much fun the first couple of weeks of January shopping Loft online, taking advantage of the sales, and I just needed a simple black turtleneck. So yes, thank you, Loft. I'll find a link to this as with everything below. And then the studded skirt. Now this one I actually bought on a Christmas sale, and I would style this actually with black thermal tights or just sheer tights. I threw on some tights I had around here, and I think they might be a little busy for this. This skirt has a great shape. It just bells out a little bit and is just super flattering. And I picked this up in store in my true size 4. Normally with minier skirts, I will size up to a 6 so I can pull it down a little bit more and it's not so mini and it hits on, you know, what little hips that I have. I'm lucky that I saw this on the sale rack. I think I got this for definitely under $29 on the sale rack at Loft, and it was sitting on with the 2s, and I'm like, what is this? It's so cute. I picked it up and I was so happy it was a size 4, tried it on, and it fits great. Okay, let's go up just a little bit in price point and talk about their premier brand, Blue and Gray. And those items I noticed online are on sale like crazy all over the place. This is an example of the type of coat that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that when I first saw it out there in the Loft world online, YouTubers getting their Loft hauls, and this jacket I was in love with, but it was $189 and it just wasn't in my budget at the time. I picked this up for $62 and then I had some Loft points. So essentially, in my mind, this one is a $52 jacket. I thought this style where you have a fuzzy and a mixed media, I know Karl Lagerfeld did a lot with stripes and some other premium brands. I thought this would go out, but it hasn't. It's staying in. What I love about this jacket so much is the back of it is such a great contrast to the front of it. I almost want to treat it like a reversible jacket because it looks like it could do it. It wouldn't zipper up, so it's not truly made to be a reversible jacket, but I just love it. So this is another favorite hot deal find that I got with Loft. I couldn't resist bringing back one thing from my prior Loft haul because I've enjoyed wearing them so much over the holidays, and these red velvet flare, long, high-waisted with a great waistline pants are still available on the sale. And I think there's a kind of an off-white color. I'm going to enjoy wearing these in the month of February, where it's a fun month to bring out the reds. And I love the way that they look with this studded sweater. This last outfit is a little bit of edgy and a little bit of comfort. So I am wearing their ribbed cable sweater on sale for $18 right now, and available in a lot of the sizes and a lot of the colors. And I really love this sweater. Let me just turn this around and show it to you. I'm wearing a small. I think I could have got into an extra small, and I was loving the Whisper white color, and they still have that available in extra small, and small. And I just have so many white cable sweaters. I sent it back and I was like, I hated having to do that. Wish I kept it. Anyway, and then I'm in the Snow Leopard silk scarf. So this scarf is silk and it's on sale for $17.98. And then I am in the faux leather Moto mini skirt, and that's on sale right now for $22.50. And most of the size, like almost all of the sizes are available. So let me back up and show you how I styled this all together. So here it is. So I wanted to soften up this leather mini skirt, and this is the Moto one. And so I just kind of did this. So here you have your little Moto zippers. Let's see if they're functional. No, they're faux zippers. They zip and unzip, but there are not pockets up there. And yeah, so here's the sweater. Just love this sweater. It's just so comfortable and cute. I've washed this one. I've worn and washed this one already. It's got a little bit of a relaxed sleeve on it, a nice crew neck length, this cute stripe in front. It's just a little bit of everything. All right, let me show you the shoes. I just looked, and sizes 9 and above are sold out already. So if you are interested in these and you're in below that range, I would hop on there and make a decision about whether you want to buy them. They got a 4.1 out of 5 rating. I just looked, I didn't notice that Loft has ratings. And I think they're super cute. I love me a good loafer. As you can see, I am not a cloud dancer, I'm a sun dancer. I am dancing around the sun today. One thing that I heard for 2026 is that preppy looks are still having their moment. I remember the 80s were certainly pretty preppy, and the 80s are going to be part of the trend for 2026. So a loafer is always a great way to get a little bit of a preppy look going. Just super awesome deals. Loft always has sales, but the sales over the holidays, which are going to be ending soon when they come out with the spring stuff, have been killer sales, and there's still a lot of good stuff left. And as I dance around the sun here, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Loft haul. I'll have all these outfits numbered in the description box, and if any of these individual items or any of these outfits inspired you, all the links will be there for you to do shopping. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.